Hey guys, my one request when you watch this video is before you comment or anything like that, please watch the video the entire length. I got a special message at the end that I want y'all to hear before you make a comment. How's it going today, guys? Trucks of Water here, and it is currently 8:30 on a Saturday. I just got from Waggles. I got my caffeine for this morning because I need it. It's been a long work week. Anyways, right now we're gonna go get the new mod put on the truck. Not gonna reveal again, not yet in the video, but a lot of you have kind of guessed it, but finally it's happening. Thank God, because I'm tired of driving around like this. But anyways, how we're doing right now, then of course we're gonna hang out with all the guys this weekend. It's Labor Day weekend, so it's gonna be a great weekend. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty fun. To give a huge shout out to Smoky Mountain Window Tent Accessories over in Knoxville. They did a fantastic job on the truck. I'm about to go over what they did here in a little bit, but why have I not done this sooner? I don't know, but it looks so daggum good. Oh my God, that's hot. Well, kids, this is why you look both ways before crossing the freaking street on red, because I just got broadside and wheels messed up and my sway bar linkage is messed up. Pay attention while driving, kids. Just got my freaking windows tinted too. Okay guys, more explanation on what just happened. I just got the truck tinted, as you saw from the previous clips. Yeah, this part, that wheel and tire is fucked up. I know the sway bar link to the suspension, or I can't even speak right now, is bent, so that's gotta be replaced. What I was doing is I was coming on this four-way right here. This is literally the intersection, so I drove it like 50 feet. I was turning left, coming onto this road right here. I had the green light and a green arrow. This older lady blew through. She turned right on red, did not pay attention. I turned into my lane, and she just came in and hit me. Yeah. So I'm very, very grateful it was just the wheel and tire and the front suspension, because it could have been worse, could have hit my body. But I am like really still pissed because she tried to blame it on me for somehow, some way. I filled out a police report. The officer, is her fault. The officer, no. The officer said it was her fault, so she's paying for it, but I am beyond not happy right now at all whatsoever. So we'll catch back up with you here in a second. All right, guys, we are back at Mexico. We got Colin out here, Hunter, Ivy. Where the hell are you going?
Don't have your seatbelts on?
What seatbelts? Engine braking. Hunter, my luck today hasn't been my luck today has not been the greatest. So. Oh my God. Look out. I thought after that first jump he was going to just nosedive. I was surprised I made it this far.
Josh, he He's like, it's been a shit day.
Might as well jump in a pile of shit.
I'm gonna win $100.
I think you've already lost.
Shut up.
You're at $50 right now because you're halfway.
I'll pay for the paint job on the wheels. This is just sad to watch now.
So out of shape.
Actually, horses have the cleanest shit there.
Just don't breathe in too deeply.
You can smell it probably.
A little bit. Mostly the mulch. Do you guys reuse it at all, or?
Yes. We put this on our crops.
Nice.
And just to think you put this on your food and
Yeah.
you eat it. But it grows crops like crazy.
Oh yeah, fertilizer's great for that.
Uh-oh. That's $100.
I'm doing it again.
Good air right there. Well, actually, no. Never mind.
He's just gonna do the same thing he did last time.
He's going for it. He's going for it.
Come on, 90cc.
Done. There ain't getting out of that one right there.
I buried it. Oh shit, ew.
He's like... Alright, do I need to go get the rope?
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, come with.
And that, kid, is how you do it. Wait, we didn't sign the waiver, Hunter.
Which waiver?
Oh, never mind.
We won't need it if we die.
That's great logic. Well, guys, Hunter traded his black truck in for this 2011 SR5 4Runner, but he did got to keep his wheels and tires though, so it looks really hella good. And he's sawzawing that. But back in Mexico on this glorious Sunday. God is good. God is good. So, Hunter, what are we doing?
We're putting some gasoline in this diesel truck. For all you newbies out there.
Yeah,
It's actually the way to do it.
yeah, what it is, when you put gas in a diesel, it cleans out its injectors and stuff, makes it run better. So, yeah, so we're putting gas in a diesel right now.
Yep, smart move.
It's a very smart move.
Green handles now. Actually, some places they do have green handles for the gas.
Yeah, I know.
I don't want
Oh my god. So right now we're going down the Mexico Hill. We're in 4 low, drive with the hill descent control on. Hunter, are you touching anything right now?
completely off everything.
And it is babying itself down the hill. I've never been a vehicle that had this stuff, or I mean, I've been in a vehicle but I never used it. This is crazy. We're going 2 miles an hour.
My 4Runner has it too. We'll have to try it in that.
Oh, we do. We do have to try it in that.
So yeah, you could just. I didn't have to drive here. Actually, I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna drive. Like, no! 4x2.
There we go. Now we're back.
This is normal.
Just let it go.
Let it go. We go through the fence.
Have to edit that part. Have to edit that part of the video out. Kids, I do not recommend driving your 50 and 90 cc's on the road, but this is in Mexico, so it's okay. Even in Mexico, we still have to work on some stuff.
Fix that hump right there.
Thank you. Hell yeah. There we go. There we go.
Bueno.
That's a good one. Right here, having fun on Labor Day weekend. Hunter's about to absolutely send it off this massive 15-foot, oh hi Ivy, 15-foot drop.
I'm ready.
I'm not sprinting. I'm just gonna do it.
Okay. Okay.
This is a lot farther back.
He sent it. Have fun, viewers. There we go.
How do you feel, sir?
Yeah, I feel pretty good. I give that about 7 out of 10. All right, guys. So now I'm gonna. Hey, Hunter, can you go in there and hold the gate?
I can do. I can do that for you.
You're gonna jump with me. Thank you, buddy. Sending it. This is a bad idea holding a daggum GoPro.
Okay. Ready, Josh?
I'm ready, buddy.
Blue Bear, watch your toesies.
Trip him as he goes down.
If I go face first.
That's a good hit. All right, viewers, we're sending you out in the lake.
Yes. I'm going, Boo Bear. Oh yeah.
Did Greg scream at me?
Houston was like, "Go Joe!"
Oh. All right, I get that about 8 out of 10.
Yeah, that was about a 9.5. We want to get to a 10 out of 10. Send the gate. Josh, you're gonna hurt yourself, please. Don't hurt yourself. Josh, for some reason you go to the right.
I keep getting distracted by the yelling. He says that messes him up every time.
All right, Josh.
Throw it.
Chuck it. I want to be easy with him.
Okay, Hunter. Whee! Woo! That was fun.
Vlog part's done. You know, you saw what my weekend was like. There's not that much content. I decided to take time off of Instagram, social media, except for my Snapchat, of course, because, you know, I just have fun with Snapchat. Even my personal page on Instagram, I took time off of it, and I took time off of YouTube to be with family and friends this Labor Day weekend because I needed some time like that to recoup, rethink, and what's going on. Now, in the video that you watched, no, the damage is not that bad. When you see this video, I will be getting an insurance quote and a estimate on what the damage is done to the K1500. I do not know 100% yet what that is. The reason why I'm so pissed off in the video is because the lady that hit me blatantly lied to the cops, said it was my fault. I told the cop what happened. I had a green arrow, green light. She turned right on red, completely blew through a lane, and hit my truck. And again, I don't have the police report yet. I gotta go get that tomorrow. And he told, you know, it's not my fault because I had the green arrow, I had everything, I had the right of way, everything. It's just a freak thing. And I am very, very lucky, and thank God how lucky I am. If it was 4 or 6 inches either way, like more towards the back of the truck or forward where she hit, I would have had body damage. I have 0 body damage on the truck, which I'm very, very grateful for. The wheel is screwed up. The tire we're not sure on. I know my sway bar linkage is bent, so I know that has to be replaced. The mount, I only drove the truck about 500 feet before I put on a rollback because we didn't know how bad the front end was. And at 30-40 miles an hour, it drove perfectly normal. But again, we don't know the extent of the damage to the front of the truck. It's no salvage tile, no anything like that. It's not anything like that. So yeah, that's kind of what was going on. I do want to say though, from the amount of messages, Snapchats, DMs, phone calls from you all, asking if I was okay, what's going on with the truck, what's happening with Rod Run, I can't be any more grateful and thankful for each and every single one of you that tuned into the channel, that made sure I was okay. I'm perfectly okay. She only hit me, thank God, at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Because that intersection could have been a heck of a lot worse. She could have probably hit me at 40 to 50 miles an hour, in all honesty. That's how weird this intersection is. But the amount of love and support I've gotten over the past few days has blown me. I mean, it's beyond belief. I do believe from the bottom of my heart, you all are the best fan base ever. You all have been there for me. You all have made sure I was okay. You have made sure the K1500 was at least alright. I am not happy right now. I won't lie. I'm kind of pissed off about it. I'm just because I like to keep myself as clean and neat as possible, and I would never, ever, 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 beyond belief, wish this upon anyone. Not a scratch, not a dent, not a wreck, not an accident. I don't care. I would never wish this upon anyone, not even my worst enemy, because it sucks. This is my very first wreck. Knock on wood. Hopefully it'll be my last wreck. But this stuff just happens, and it literally just happened. She came out of my blind spot. I couldn't see her. It's not because of the window tint. I just could not see her the way she came in. And it just sucks. So I want to thank each and every single one of you for the support recently, for making sure that I was okay. Like I said, guys, I can't be any more grateful for that. And you all are just the greatest fan base I could ever ask for. And from the bottom of my heart, I just want to say thank you to each and every single one of you that messaged me. She will be back. By God, she will be back. I'm 90% sure that she will be back for Rod Run. If not, I'll find a way to go up there. I got friends, of course, going with me in the cabin and whatnot, so I'm not worried about that. But come hell or high water, whatever it takes, that truck is going to be at Rod Run unless there's some other freak thing. But I just want to say thank you all from the bottom of my heart. Just thank you for the support and love, because it sucks. I'm not going to lie. An accident sucks either way. I'm not hurt. I'm grateful for that. I'm grateful for the way. It was the best, worst case scenario I can put it. Like, if it had to happen, that's the best way it could have happened, basically. But thank you all so much for watching this vlog. Comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Like the video if you like the video. Join the Trucks and Water family, guys. We're constantly growing, changing, and doing new things. All of you have a great day, and I hope you all had a great Labor Day too. And remember, never give up on your dreams.